Edwin here, and today I want to show you how you can make an original Piña Colada by using just few of these ingredients. So all you need is a blender, pineapple juice, whipping cream, coconut cream, and a white rum, and some ice. First we start with some ice. We add some ice to the mixture. Not too much, but like enough so it wouldn't like that. Second, we're gonna use just 1 ounce, which is, if you're from Europe, it's 30 milliliters of coconut cream. So this cup here is a 30 milliliter cup. We're gonna just dump it in. Second, we're gonna use a whipping cream, also 1 ounce, and exactly the same, like that. Oops. You can get pretty much all these ingredients from your local grocery store. After that, we're gonna use a white rum, Bacardi rum, by the way. This is the world's first rum, they say. At least that's what they wrote in Wikipedia. So 2 ounces. 2 ounces of white rum. It's 1 ounce of coconut cream, 1 ounce of whipping cream, 2 ounces of Bacardi rum, and 6 ounces. That one comes next. 6 ounces of pure pineapple juice. This can here is 12 ounces, which is 350 milliliters. So you need to use half of it. But we are gonna measure it out like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost got a little more than 6 anyways. I've had a few drinks before, so no worries. Now we're gonna close the blender. You could, people say you have to use blender. You probably could use the shaker cup and stuff, but it will be better if you use blender. It's the same with mojito. It will be better. You can get more taste out of mint. So all you do is just, like, I use NutriBullet. Good enough. Here you go. This size, this amount of Piña Colada is meant to be for the hurricane cup, which is like this one. But because I don't have one, so we're gonna use my my daily cup. So it doesn't really matter. I just leave something in the blender for the beginning. You see this beauty? If you do garnishing, usually you put the straw into the hurricane cup, and you also use, for garnishing, you use the pineapple and the cherry together on one like toothpick or something, and you put it just side here. Well, I'm sorry, I don't have those things, but I will show you right here what it looks like. Anyways, cheers. It's very good. And by the way, you don't need Malibu rum to make Piña Colada. Misconception, you don't need Malibu rum. It's overmarketed and it's only 20%, while a regular white rum is like 40%, sometimes maybe even 45 maybe. Cheers guys.